The single most powerful sleep hack is keeping a consistent schedule. Go to bed and wake up at roughly the same time every day, even on weekends. This trains your internal body clock, so falling asleep gets easier over time. Within a couple of weeks, many people wake up naturally before the alarm.
Your body needs to cool down slightly to fall asleep, so a cool room helps a lot. Aim for around 18 degrees Celsius, or about 65 Fahrenheit. A bedroom that is too warm can leave you restless and waking through the night. Crack a window or adjust the thermostat before bed.
Light tells your brain it is time to be awake, so a dark room signals sleep. Blackout curtains block street lights and early morning sun that can cut your rest short. Even a little glow from outside can disrupt your sleep hormones. If curtains are not an option, a comfortable eye mask works just as well. The blue light from phones and tablets can trip your brain into thinking it is daytime. Try to put screens away 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Scrolling also keeps your mind alert and engaged when it should be winding down. Swap the phone for a book or some quiet stretching instead. Caffeine can linger in your body for many hours after that last cup. As a general rule, avoid coffee, strong tea, and energy drinks after about 2 in the afternoon. Even if you fall asleep fine, late caffeine can make your sleep lighter and less restful. Switch to water or herbal tea in the evening. A calming wind-down routine signals to your body that sleep is coming. Spend the last half hour doing something quiet and relaxing every night. That might be reading, light stretching, or listening to soft music. Doing the same gentle steps each evening makes the routine even more powerful. It sounds odd, but warm feet can actually help you fall asleep faster. Warming your feet helps widen blood vessels and signals your body that it is time to rest. Try a pair of cozy socks or a warm foot soak before bed. This is an easy trick if you often lie awake with cold feet. Magnesium plays a role in relaxing muscles and calming the nervous system. Many people fall a little short on it in their daily diet. Foods like nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and whole grains are naturally rich in magnesium. Adding a few of these to your meals is a simple, food-first way to support better sleep. You spend a huge portion of your life in bed, so comfort matters. A supportive mattress and the right pillow can ease aches that wake you up. If you wake feeling stiff or sore, your setup might need an upgrade. Fresh, breathable bedding also keeps you comfortable through the night. Naps can be refreshing, but long or late ones can steal your nighttime sleep. If you nap, keep it short, around 20 minutes, and earlier in the afternoon. A quick nap boosts energy without leaving you groggy. Save your deeper sleep for the night when your body needs it most. Regular physical activity is one of the best things you can do for sleep. People who move during the day tend to fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. Even a daily walk counts toward this benefit. Just try to finish intense workouts a few hours before bed so your body has time to settle. A nightcap might make you drowsy, but alcohol actually disrupts your sleep later in the night. It can lead to lighter, more broken rest and early waking. Try cutting back on drinks in the hours before bed. You will likely notice you wake up far more refreshed. If you have been lying awake for about 20 minutes, do not force it.
Get up and do something calm and quiet in low light until you feel sleepy. Staying in bed frustrated only links your bed with stress. Once drowsiness returns, head back and try again.